Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology (MeitY) has released 2 draft documents on Mobile Security Guidelines (MSG) and Anonymization of Data (AOD) as part of its e-governance guidelines. As per the draft, MSG covers entities including mobile device manufacturers, mobile application developers, mobile network operators, mobile service providers, mobile security testing organizations, and mobile phone users. The aim is to ensure the achievement of mobile security goals and protect mobile users' data privacy. No personal data of mobile user shall be processed by any person, except for any specific, clear and lawful purpose. The personal data shall be collected digitally only to the extent that is necessary for the purpose of processing of such personal data, the draft said. Besides, it also said that the sensitive data of mobile users such as login credentials, passwords, date of birth, Aadhaar number among others, should not be known, collected, or misused by any unauthorized person, entity, or organization. Meanwhile, the draft for AOD said that data anonymization is another privacy-enhancing technique to remove or minimize the identifiability of individuals in large data sets of personal information. The aim is to reduce risk, optimize privacy while also enabling various entities to process, share and publish data for different purposes.